If you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Welcome to the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener. I'm Joy Baird. We're up here on Northwoods property, their Northwoods Garden, Zone 4. Brought the Mantis tiller up, and we're going to prep the garden. It's just a little garden here. This is not a garden of mass production expectation. Simply we're camping up there, let's come down and get zucchini or peppers or tomatoes or something of that magnitude. So it's about 4 foot wide and about 14 foot long, give or take. I have prepped it a couple of weeks ago by putting this netting up, and at the bottom I have poultry fencing around. So I'm just going to go in there with the tiller and till it up, and then I've got leeks, onions, and some potatoes that have sprouted, so I'm going to get those planted because we're still a couple of weeks out. You can see right here an onion that we had planted last year coming back, but there's not much there to save because it would go to seed. And we'll get this tilled up and get some of the stuff planted. Got that all tilled up. Now there is some rocks here. This was like a wetland bog at one time. When we bought the property, the water line was like right here. There used to be beavers in that bog, but they were harvested illegally. It's a whole big thing before we bought the property. So got this tilled up. I'm going to do potatoes back there. I'm not going to add any fertilizer, and then leeks on in front. I'll show you that here momentarily. I'm going to kind of get this leveled off, but get it planted here. Tiller did really good. Mantis did send us that tiller. They are a sponsor. Have been with the Gardening with Joy and Holly radio show, my and the Holly's radio show, gardening radio show, for a couple of years now. I think this is the third year, something like that. So I've done the trench method here. All I've got is just red potatoes, store-bought, that have gone to seed or sprouted, and I'm just going to throw them in the ground. This being, we'll go one there. Now the key to potatoes, you don't want to plant them when the soil is any colder than 45, because they'll sit there and rot. What do I got here? I'm not going to divide these up. You can see, man, there's a lot of growth on that one. I'm just going to do 4 right there and heal them up. Last year we did not rototill this garden. We simply spaded it, and it did, and we didn't maintain it the way we needed it to, and it did not do well. So this year we've got a bigger fence. Put those like that. Keep the deer and other animals out of here. Now I'm going to plant the leeks here and the onions here, but before I do that, I'm going to hit that again with the tiller to loosen up what I just stepped on, so it's not so compacted. And beside this garden, I do have a water tub which I can water it, and that's from the snow runoff, rain. That'll get me going for some time. And then when I get it all planted, this here and down there, that will drape across the top and be taut to keep animals, deer, from sticking their head down and trying to eat this vegetation from the top down. I brought these that we started from home. Yellow Spanish onions, American flag leeks, and Walla Walla onions. What I don't use here, I will take back home and put in the seed starting grow bag. Just going about every 6 inches, making sure I don't get soil above the split. Do another row there, another row there, and call it good. Because I do want to put peppers, tomatoes, a zucchini, and possibly cucumber in the small bed, using the fence as a trellis for the cucumber. Alright, that will do it for that. Again, I'm going to hit this area where I was kneeling with tiller just so it's not compacted, and I'm going to call it good. So, wait for the soil to warm up, and then I'll bring tomato starts, pepper starts. I'll direct sow cucumbers up here, and then direct sow a zucchini up here to be pretty tight, but it's worth trying it here. So certainly thank you for tuning in. I'm Joy Baird. This has been the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener in our North Woods Zone 4 Woods Garden.